Wait, Prime Day? Oh, shoot! Prime Day! What's on sale? Wait, let me take a look at some of these Amazon Prime deals. Prime Day deals. Wait, when does it end? Oh, it's like... Oh, it ends in Pacific time. Okay, so I have like 2 hours. Wait, what is this? Multifunctional microwave oven with healthy air fry convection cooking. What? You could microwave, air fry, broil, convection bake. Whoa! What is this cracked? Wait. What? 8-in-1 built-in air fryable microwave oven? What? I don't think I could just buy this on the spot right now, but I'll add it to my saved for later. 'Cause like I can't just tell my parents I bought you an air fryer. But this is nice. Do I buy it? Wait, do I? Do I? What? Do I? Wait 1 second, let me ask my family. Are they even awake? I don't even know. I'll be back. No one's awake. No one's awake! Wait, if I order it and if it's delivered and wait. Would it be toxic for me to order it? Order it now? And then if my fam says nah, I could return it? or is that toxic? Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna check out. Okay, let's do this. Where's the checkout button? And make sure it's on my card and nobody else's. Like, I don't want a random credit card bill on my parents' credit card for a microwave. Okay, that's mine. Yes. Okay, use this payment method. Wait, what's today? Holy cow, that's a fast delivery. Okay. All right, place your order. I hope my family's not gonna be like, is your card fine? Is your card hacked? Did someone hack our Amazon account? Did someone buy a microwave? Yo, what the heck? What am I doing? I'm buying a microwave. I bought a microwave air fryer. What the heck am I doing on stream? Holy cow. What am I doing, chat? Holy cow. At 2 a.m. in the morning. I hope they don't think that I hacked anything. Show them the VOD? I don't want to show them my stream. Wait, I don't even know if the wait, I don't even know if the microwave actually fits in our countertop. Wait, 1 sec. I forgot about that. Wait, wait, 1 sec. How big is the microwave? Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna measure my countertop real quick. We're good. We are good. Let's go. Holy cow, what am I what am I doing? Please put the Amazon away. No, it's already away, don't worry. I need to explain to my family though that I bought a microwave because it was Prime Day. Do your parents know? No, they're asleep right now, but I bought a microwave. Will you update us on the reaction? Maybe. If it's positive. Oh yeah, how's your shopping? Oh yeah, I told them about my microwave that I bought the other day. They said, oh cool, it's on sale. You bought it at a discount? Oh, nice. It has an air fryer feature, so we don't need a toaster oven anymore. Cool, we're saving space. Cool. Nice. That was the reaction. How's the microwave? Kinda pog. Kinda pog. It seemed a little over-engineered. But that's a good thing.